Shout out to the viewers. Ay, yeah, like here in the Philippines, it's already morning, dawn, no, morning, dawn. Oh, so I'm still awake. Yeah, I'm still awake. It's already 12 in the morning, but I'm still awake because I want to go live streaming. Did you know that why I'm live streaming this time? Because we have no in my village. In my village, we have no signal. This visit is old for another minute. Just why you why you comment like this? Don't comment like this, okay? That's bad. Please don't commit. Please, guys, don't commit rude comment. Okay, that that's bad. Don't commit bad comments. Okay, please. Shout out to the other country, ugly orange. Oh, ugly. You're beautiful, or you're beautiful guy or woman, or what? Are you guy or are you woman? Well, I respect that your comments that I'm ugly. Okay, fine. You're beautiful. Thank you, CEO, for your comment. I'm ugly. Thank you. Good evening. Ah, it's good for me. You're commenting like that, but don't commit a rude comment. Okay, that is bad. Knock knock. Who's there? Good evening. Knock knock. Who's there? Good evening. I think you are from the other country, Brooklyn. Kyushu. Knock. Hello, knock knock knock. Where are you from? Guess I'm weak and body speak and I lose the control. Okay lang. Hello guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you for watching. Oh my god,